how to use Granola AI 2026 step by step. If you're someone who sits in a lot of meetings, interviews, or online calls, you probably know how exhausting it can be to take notes while also trying to stay engaged in the conversation. That is exactly where Granola AI comes in. Granola is an AI powered meeting notes app that automatically transcribes conversations and turns rough notes into organized summaries with highlights, decisions, and action items. Instead of manually writing everything down, the AI listens to the meeting and helps you generate clean, structured notes afterward. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Granola's AI step by step in 2026. From installing the app to recording meetings, generating AI summaries, and sharing your notes with your team. Now, the first step is to actually install Granola. You're simply going to go to the Granola application on your web browser. Now, once you're in, you're going to click on download for Windows, and then this is going to open up a plan action that you can select. You can go with the free plan, which also provides you with a bunch of cool features. And once you're set, simply click on the instructions and click on download Granola manually. And then simply click on download, and the download has started. If you're facing some issues, click on download Granola manually and you can follow some instructions, and that is it. Now, once the application is installed in your computer or your laptop, you're simply going to connect your Google Calendar or your Google email. Now, one of the most useful features of Granola AI is its ability to connect with your calendar. Inside the settings menu, you can link your Google Calendar, or you simply get the option before even launching the application. And once you connected, Granola will automatically detect your upcoming meetings and allow you to start note-taking instantly when a meeting begins. This is extremely helpful because instead of creating notes manually, Granola can prepare a note workspace for each scheduled meeting. The AI also uses information from the calendar event, such as participants and meeting topics, to help generate smarter summaries later. So if you have Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams meeting scheduled, then Granola will automatically recognize it and be ready to capture notes. You can also simply talk to the AI chat box interface and ask it to create notes, or you can search in your recent notes or receipts. If you simply even type in hello or hi, you can see if the AI responds correctly. If it responds like any other AI chatbot, it means that it is launched and working completely fine. Now, let's take a look at how to actually record notes during a meeting. When your meeting starts, you're simply just going to open Granola and click on start note. Or you can just simply tap in the meeting event from your calendar inside the application. Now, at this point, Granola begins listening to the audio from your device and transcribes the conversations in real time. You can also take in manual notes by simply clicking on quick note, and you can type in almost anything right here. And you can see it is recording right here as we take the notes. You can simply even pause it, and once that is done, just upload it into Granola. Now, unlike many other AI note-taking tools, Granola does not join the meeting as a visible bot. Instead, it simply captures the audio from your computer or your phone. You can see on the left side of the text box, there is the resume option. If you click on this, you can also see what we actually spoke right here. And that way you can ask the AI to later give you meeting recordings or just ask for a summary of the meeting. This means that your meetings stay natural and uninterrupted. While the meeting is happening, the transcript is quietly being generated in the background while you focus on the conversation and the actual material. Now, even though Granola captures the conversation automatically, you can still write your own quick notes during the meeting. You can simply even type in tasks or the kind of notes that you want. Even mental notes or just scrap notes can be written right here. In the note editor, you can even type in simple things like the key decisions, important deadlines that you notice, follow-up tasks, or questions that you want to revisit later. Granola actually uses the notes you write as signals to understand what parts of the conversations are actually important. For example, if you type in project deadline and press on enter, the AI will automatically expand the idea into a more detailed summary after the meeting ends. You can also organize your notes using headings, bullet points, or short phrases. Don't worry about grammar or spelling, the AI will clean everything up later for you. Now, once the meeting ends, this is where the magic happens. Granola automatically just analyzes three things. First is the meeting transcript, then the notes that you wrote, and the information from the calendar event. Using these inputs, the AI generates structured meeting notes that include summaries, highlights, decisions, and action items. For example, your final notes might include sections like meeting overview, key takeaway, decisions made, or just the next steps. What's interesting is that Granola visually separates your original notes from the AI generated content. Your own notes appear normally, while the AI enhanced text is added around them to make the document more complete and readable. Another powerful feature is the built-in AI chat. If you simply go back to your homepage, you're going to see the option for the home and the new chat. And you can simply start asking anything related to your notes or just any educational topic questions. You can also ask questions about your meeting. For example, you could simply ask to summarize the key action items from the certain meeting, or who was responsible for the marketing task, or what was the budget mentioned during the call. Now, Granola will instantly scan the transcript and notes to give you answers or summaries. This is especially helpful when reviewing long meetings or just trying to remember specific details later. Instead of reading through an entire transcript, you can simply ask the AI. Now, after reviewing the notes, you can easily share them with your team as well. Simply go over to My Notes and you can simply click on any one of these notes that are available. And right next to it on the right, you're going to see the option and you can simply copy this link and send it to your friends. And the notes can also be copied and pasted into other tools like project management apps, documents, or messaging platforms. For example, many teams export their Granola notes into project management tools, team collaboration platforms, or internal documentation. This makes it easy to turn meeting discussions into actual tasks and follow-ups. Now, Granola is particularly useful in situations like client calls, team meetings, and sales calls, interviews, or research discussions. If you attend multiple meetings per day, then this tool can save hours of manual note taking and help you stay focused during these conversations. To quickly recap, here's how to use Granola AI step by step. First, you download and install the application, and then you connect your calendar so the meetings are automatically detected. And then we start a note when your meeting begun. And fourth, we let Granola transcribe the conversation while you stay engaged, and then review the AI generated summaries after the meeting. And then finally, you can share these notes with your team members or ask the AI questions about the discussions. With tools like Granola AI, meetings can finally become organized, searchable, and actually useful, instead of just long conversations that everyone forgets afterward. And that is it for this tutorial on how to use Granola AI in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on AI tools, productivity apps, and the latest tech. Also press the bell icon so you don't miss any of these videos. Share this with your friends or team members. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.